Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this bomb 6x6 lace closure wig. It looks like a sew-in, doesn't it? This hair was so bomb. This wig was so decent. It looks so natural. It looks like a sew-in. So I'm going to show you how I install this, and just stay tuned to see how I do the style. So today I have a wig from Wiggins hair. So I've used Wiggins hair before. I really like their deep wave and curly hair, but this time I have some a body wave wig. I don't know if I've had body wave hair from them before, but this is the body wave wig. So this is the 6x6 closure wig, and it's 18 inches. It's body wave, so it's really full. It's thick. I love closure wigs because they're easy to put on. You don't really have to glue them down. You can take them on, put them on and take them off. And it almost looks like a frontal in the front, except it's just not 13 by 4 usually. So this is 6x6, so 6 inches across and then 6 inches to the back, so you can get a deep part. But the 6 inches across usually comes to your temples. So that's kind of good enough if you don't like frontals, but you want a wide enough closure. So like I said, this is body wave, so this is how big the closure is. So the knots on the closure is not bleached. It's almost like pre-plucked a little bit, but I probably will pluck it a little bit more, and I'm going to bleach the knot. So this is 120 density. The hair is really soft. The rest of the wefts are machine wefted on, and they do come with some combs. So like I said, this is a glueless type unit. You can glue down this closure in the front if you want, but you don't have to. You can really just put this on and take it off. So I'm going to bleach the knots on this, and then I'm going to style this wig. I'm probably going to put some curls in it because it's going to get a little wet once I bleach the knots on the closure. So they also send you some nice stuff like the little headband when you do the little meltdown thing, some eyelashes, wig cap, and also a bag to store your wig in. You can also grease your scalp while you put on these wigs. It's the best part about it. Giving your hair a break. So to put on the closure wig, I just braided it straight back. If you want, you can leave the edges out on the very side, but you don't have to. It's kind of like not necessary. So I didn't really do that, but I mean, if you want to swoop a baby hair, you can.
Good job, babe.
So this is a closure after I bleached the knots. So I just parted it in the middle and I put it in the dryer to dry. So looks really good, really flat. Got that long middle part right there. So I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna cut the little lace off the front. went ahead and cut some layers in this hair, some light layers, just so it can have some body and, you know, just some face framing layers. So it could be layers in the front. I always love to cut layers in hair if it's not being worn straight or just like, you know, wand curled straight down, like in a wave formation. So I'm just gonna do that, and I put a little baby hairs on it, but I kind of plucked some of them out because I felt like it was like a little bit too much baby hair, and I don't know, I don't really like all that baby hair on wigs with this kind of style, so I don't know, but yeah. So I just used a 1-inch wand curler just to throw some curls in there, and just a flat iron just to curl the front, because I like the front curled a certain way that I can't do on both sides with a wand curler. I don't know, it never comes out right for me, so I always use just a regular flat iron in the front. And then I'm just gonna spray like some little cheese spray on top, and I also put a little foundation in the part to blend it in, and then that pretty much was it. So make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair. This hair was really nice. I really like this wig. It was like the right type of thickness. The hair was really soft. It curled really well. I ended up dyeing this hair afterwards, and it dyed really well. It's still soft and bouncy, so make sure you check them out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses. Like this video, leave a question or a comment. Thank you for watching.